How to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Disney Plus subscription, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you would like to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, it's actually quite simple, and there are many numerous ways to do this depending upon whether you're using an Android device or an iOS device. But the easiest way to achieve this is through your browser. So go to disneyplus.com and make sure to log into the account. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. As you do that, it will ask you to log into multiple profiles, so make sure you log in. And as you do that, again, if you look at the top right, you'll find your profile icon. Make sure to tap the profile icon and you'll see a little pop-up again here where you have to make sure to select the option known as account. Once you go to account, you're going to be taken to the account details page, where if you look closer, you'll find another option under the subscription tab known as billing details. So make sure to tap on the billing details option, and right here you should be able to see the current plan that you have. Depending upon whether you'd like to cancel it or not, you can just click on the cancel subscription button there, and as you do that, it will ask you for a confirmation one more time whether you're sure or not you would like to cancel it. So make sure to tap on the complete cancellation option. It will ask you for a survey as to why you're canceling the Disney Plus subscription. So if that's the case with you as well, you can go ahead and do that, or you'll be able to see all of these details, and once you've done that, your Disney Plus subscription will get successfully cancelled. That's all it takes to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.